Now, with the discovery of various medicines and revolution in surgery, smallpox is eradicated from the world. Malaria is controlled and very few people die of plague, typhoid and cholera. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1927 revolutionized the treatment of infections and infectious diseases. Some other discoveries have contributed as much as that of penicillin and the antibiotics that polluted to the health and welfare of people worldwide. Engineering and mechanical technology have been playing vital role in many fields before the inventions of automobiles, aeroplanes, rockets, and engines. People used to travel on foot or used animals or animal driven carts to travel from one place to another. The speed was terribly slow as compared with that of today's travel. Human beings had to tolerate hardship and suffering of the olden day travel. I took Marco Polo, his father and his uncle Mapio Polo, three were to reach China from Venice, Italy. Many people died during the journey, but at present the means of transportation have squeezed the distance, overcome to force of gravity and made possible the exploration of the other space. Man has reached the moon and is trying to reach other planet. Never was the world so completely integrated or reachable as it is today. Only in a few hours one can play around the world or travel from one continent to another. Modern networking approaches have really revolutionized the world and the day of the day activities. Communication technology has brought a tremendous revolution in modern science. A few scores years back, it was very difficult for the people of the country to get news, letter, information, and technology from other countries. A large number of people of the world were living isolation. Now, owing the efficient media and quick means of communication, all the nations are constantly in close contact with one another. A series of invitations like telegraphs, telephone, radio, television, print media, communication, satellite, electronics, mail, and internet. Information technology have really converted the world into a global village or a global apartment.